Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to show you another example of extraction of the largest binary object present in a binary image. Okay, so the code and the algorithm both I have already explained in my previous video, so you can check the link given in the description because I am not going to explain the code in that detail again. Okay, you can check from my earlier video. Here I am just showing you one application or example of that. So for this particular demonstration purpose, I have taken one beautiful poem written by Rabindranath Tagore, and we know how talented he is. He has written thousands of poems, thousands of plays, thousands of stories, and thousands of paintings, and the list will go on. Okay, one very interesting talent which he had, that is the textural correction while writing anything, that may be poem or stories. Okay, he has done the decoration in the textural correction part such that the corrections itself will form one beautiful picture, okay, which can be clearly shown using this particular image. You can see this is nothing but one Bengali poem, but in between that, whatever our poet has done, the textural correction, that itself is making one beautiful painting. Okay, now suppose I want to extract this painting only, not this particular poem, only extracting, I want to extract this particular painting. How we can do? Very simple. As this is binary image, or I have, after taking from internet, actually I have converted this to binary image. So in this particular binary image, the painting is nothing but the largest binary object. Okay, we can clearly understand because the other letters are very small compared to this. Okay, so the largest binary object, if we are able to extract, that itself is the textural corrections, which is basically decorated. But there is one problem, as you can see that here our object is black and background is white, but generally in morphological image processing we take the reverse, white as object and background as dark. So we will complement our image by simply giving this sign, and it will give us the complemented image. And here we can clearly see that the largest binary object is the painting, which is basically generated due to textural correction and decoration. Okay, now what we will do, simple, we will apply BW label. Okay, and then we will find out what are the distinct labels, and corresponding to that how many pixels are present. Okay, using this particular part of the code which I have already discussed in my previous video. So just have a quick recap. B equal to an empty array we are using to store the number of pixels corresponding to a particular level. Temp equal to 0. This will basically hold for one particular level how many pixels are there, that is it will store the frequency or count value. Gk equal to 1 for iteration purpose I have taken, calculating the size of the image. And then for I equal to 1 colon bc, that is bc is nothing but total number of distinct levels present in our binary image. We will iterate our this for loop that many times, and we will traverse in our original image using these two for loops, and we will check whether a of wk comma tk, that is any particular intensity, is equal to that particular level or not. This a is basically our labeled image. Okay, you can see here a bc equal to bw level x, so a is basically our labeled image, and if we are getting that level, then we are incrementing the temp. So basically temp will be acting like a counter, and then after each for loop end, b equal to b temp, we are storing the temp or frequency value corresponding to that particular level in b variable, and again for next iteration we are initializing temp as 0, and for next level gk equal to gk plus 1. Like that it will go, and maximum level is bc. Okay, that is total number of levels. Okay, then we are finding the maximum number of pixels present for a particular level using max function. N will give us the index. We are not at all interested that how many pixels corresponding to the largest binary object, rather we are interested the corresponding level. So then in the next iteration we are taking one output equal to an empty array to store our output, and we are traversing in our original image. If a of I comma j equal to n, output equal to 1, else output equal to 0. That's all, and this will give us the output, that is the largest binary object. But as we have seen here, if I just show you the original image once more, you can clearly see that although this particular decorated part is largest binary object, but here some holes are present in this particular binary object. So at the end we will apply BW fill to fill all the holes and can give the title keeping largest object in the binary image. Okay. So now Ctrl A, evaluate selection, and see this is our outcome, which is beautifully giving us only the textural correction and the decorated part. Okay, so rest the poem is here already we are getting. So this particular poem is nothing but poem, that is writing part as well as what, painting part. Now suppose I want to extract only the painting part, I can apply this simple algorithm and I can get that. See how beautiful this is. You can just imagine that how much talented our poet Rabindranath Tagore was, that by just simply textural correction and decoration he has made this particular beautiful painting. Wherever he has done wrong something in writing the poem, or some rhythm is not matching, he has just cut that, and all the cuts, that is textural corrections, he has joined and made this particular beautiful decoration, right? So I hope you have enjoyed this. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching.